Hi there! Let's make a cute Halloween spider hair bow. It's super easy and fun to do. You need faux leather, a cutting machine. I use the Scanncut, a glue gun, and a hair bow. The file you can make yourself or buy in my shop. Always make a test cut to see if your settings are right. Check your test cut. Adjust your settings if needed accordingly. When using the manual scan and cut blade, the settings can vary depending on the blade holder. Sometimes, the sticker on the holder doesn't line up correctly. If that happens, you can fix it by aligning it yourself. Turn the blade all the way out. Then make a new mark on top, where the blade fully extends. This will help you set it accurately every time. Now use the glue gun to stick all the pieces together. Flip the bow over. Glue on your hair bow, hair clip, or barrette. Make sure it's centered and secure. Let it dry completely. Now use the glue gun to stick all the pieces together. All done! You made a spooky spider hair bow. Perfect for Halloween costumes or parties. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY ideas. See you next time.